This is based on Thomas Hanna's exercises to improve our method of walking. But in this case, the flow will release pain and tension through your SI joint and your low back area. So lie on your back with your knees bent, feet flat, a pillow under your head if you prefer it. The rest of your body needs to be perfectly relaxed, your arms away from your body. In a moment, we're going to be pressing the knee forward. What you'll notice is the hemipelvis comes with it, just as it would do when you're walking. And naturally in walking, the opposite hemipelvis will come backwards, so you may notice this as you do the movements. Take an inhale. Now push your right knee forwards of your left. Make sure that your low back is elongating, not shortening. You'll feel the right hemipelvis is lifting and pushing forwards as well. Hold it there for a moment, take an inhale, and slowly and smoothly release back down. Notice how your low back feels now. Is it closer to the ground? Let's try that again. Inhale. Exhale, push your right knee forward, elongate the back of your waist. Feel your right hemipelvis lift. Now gently, you'll notice that your left hips come back. See if you can hike it a little bit. Lift it upwards. This is another natural part of walking. Now, in a moment we'll release. You'll notice a big difference in either side of your body. Inhale, exhale, and slowly release. Once more, inhale. Exhale, right knee and hip come forward, back elongates. Left hip hikes, hold it. Inhale, exhale and release. Lengthen your legs long along the mat. Notice the difference between how it feels at the back of your waist on the right side that you've just worked, maybe a little bit flatter and more released, and on the left side, maybe feels a bit tighter, a little bit more raised away from the floor. So let's have a go at evening the two sides out. Bend your knees, feet flat. Snuggle in comfortably. The upper part of the body is beautifully relaxed during this. You can close your eyes and just listen to the voice, because you now know what you're doing. Inhale. Exhale. Push your left knee forward this time. Get a sense of your left hemipelvis coming forward too, but be mindful of the left side of your low back staying long. No contraction in that part of the body. Remain there for a moment. Inhale, exhale, and slowly release. Rest for a moment. Inhale, exhale, push the left knee forward, keep the back long. Feel the hip lift. Notice how your right hip's coming back. See if you can hike it a little bit, i.e. lift it upwards. Inhale, exhale, and slowly release. Inhale, exhale, push left knee forward, elongate the back of the left at the SI joint at the back of the waist. Gently pulling back with the right and slightly lifting it. Inhale. Exhale and slowly release. Gently lengthen your legs long along the mat. Compare both sides of the body. Get a sense of how your low back's feeling now.